You handle insurance contracts coming into your company. Every month, dozens of brokers and partners send you their new policies. The problem is that each of them has their own format. One broker sends an Excel file in French with their own labels. Another back office partner sends a technical export in English. None of them match the format your core system expects. Today, we're going to see how Assure Express handles this on autopilot with WeTransform. Here are the two files the company received this week. The first one comes from Cabinet Lumière, a broker who sends contracts manually. 38 rows, French labels, reference dossier, nom du client, type de contrat written in plain language. First and last names are concatenated in a single column. Postal code and city too. The second one comes from Nordic Row, a back office partner. 46 rows, snake case English labels, internal codes like MTRCI or HSEML, ISO date format, US style, amounts with comma thousands, two radically different files, and yet your core system expects only one format. Multiplied across 30 partners, this is unsustainable. WeTransform solves this with a simple logic. Step 1, you define your target format once and for all. Step 2, your partners drop their files in their own format. Step 3, AI transforms automatically toward your target. Let's see these 3 steps in action. With our 2 senders. First sender, Mark, from Cabinet Lumière, drops his monthly file. WeTransform analyzes the file in seconds. The AI automatically recognizes the columns, even though they're in French. Reference dossier becomes policy number. Nom du client is mapped to subscriber last name, and the AI detects the column also contains the first name, which it offers to split. Now look at the value lists. Autotos risks is automatically mapped to AutoComp. Multi-risk habitation maps to Home MR. Prélèvement mensuel becomes DDMTH. Every plain language French value is translated to the technical code expected by the insurer with zero human intervention. Everything is green, Mark validates, and his file lands clean in the Assure Express core system. No rekeying, no manual cleanup. Now, second sender, Nordic Re sends its monthly export. It's an Excel file in English with a structure totally different from the previous one. Yet, we drop it in the same portal toward the same target format. WeTransform starts from scratch. POLREF becomes policy number. Client last and client first map directly to last name and first name. Client DOB is recognized as date of birth. Here's the impressive part, the mapping of internal codes. MTRCI, which is Nordic Re's internal code for motor comprehensive, is automatically recognized as equivalent to AutoComp. HSEML, for house multiline, becomes Home MR. The AI uses labels and context to understand the meaning of proprietary codes. ISO dates are reformatted to day, month, year. US, 1000 amounts are normalized to European format. But look, this time, WeTransform shows red alerts. Several auto contracts have no driver license number, and the target format requires a license for every contract in the auto family. These rows are blocked until the information is completed. This is exactly what you want from import management. Let valid data flow through, flag what isn't, and prevent incomplete data from polluting your core system. You're probably wondering how the AI can do all this and how that license required if auto rule was set up. Let's quickly look at the admin side. The target format was defined once by the Assure Express team in about half a day. 20 fields, their types, I thought their validation rules. Here's the rule that triggered the red alerts a moment ago. The license number is set to conditional. It becomes required as soon as the contract type belongs to the auto family. It's configured here in a few clicks with no code. And here's how the AI was able to map auto tous risques, MTRCI, and motor comprehensive to the same AutoComp code. The value list contains the expected codes with their plain language descriptions. These descriptions are what the AI uses to understand any label sent by any partner. Once this setup is done, the team rarely comes back to it. Assure Express now receives contracts in a normalized form, no matter where they come from. Onboarding a new partner now takes a few minutes instead of several hours. WeTransform is AI import management. You define your target format, your partners send theirs, and we bridge the gap. Try it for free at WeTransform.com.